Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn select query in Laravel using Eloquent ORM. So let's start. So in the previous video what we have done, we have just going to create add button and add the records, means create the records. How this listing come? Okay, so let's start how this listing come. So in the listing, well let me check the, we have to go to the this one. We have create organization, we have list organizations, right? And which function is responsible for list organization? So here we go the super admin controller and check here what I'm going. I am getting all the organizations data using user where role is equal to 2, right? Get all these records, countries, and what all the data where we are passing into this route, that is index. If I go to the index blade, right? Let's open the index blade. Here we have organization, create blade, we have done index blade. So here list organization, right? Tables we are using, right? So if I go and just word wrap this, here we have added which field I need to present. After that, here I am showing the data, right? Here are the actions, edit button and delete button. So here we are getting organization created at, organization ID, organization status, organization email, phone. How I'm going to know that in this parameter all the fields are there? So I will going to print it. Let's go to the this one. Let's print data. What are we are sending? Equal print r. Here I'm going to pass the data and let's see what the data we are getting. This is the query. We are using the models, right? So models where condition and get this method, and countries has a this is the model again. I'm getting all the countries and sending into this blade. So let's save it and run it. See what we are getting. This is the whole record, right? So in the this is the organization block, and this is countries block. So also in organization, what we have parent ID, name, everything. So if I go to the blade, what we am going to do, organizations, organization, looping, because we have multiple. And here I'm getting organization, organization name, organization type, organization logo. So everything just using the organization. And the last we have but which drop down we have to select, that is in the countries, right? So this is very simple for the selecting and showing into the table formation. So you can use this function, just user where. You can also manipulate where condition, multiple conditions you can wrap the where, how many records you want to fetch, paginate, everything you can add in this one, so that there will be a pagination side by side, right? So I hope you understand how to select the query from the DB and list down into the blade. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.